Hello, friends! Today we learn colors with dumper trucks. Wow! So many dumper trucks! Red! Red dumper truck! Red color! Blue! Blue dumper truck! Blue color! Green! Green dumper truck! Green color! Orange! Orange dumper truck! Orange color! Yellow! Yellow dumper truck! Yellow color! Pink! Pink dumper truck! Pink color! Black! Black dumper truck! Black color! White! White dumper truck! White color! White color! One red truck. Woo! 2 blue trucks. 3 yellow trucks. Fast truck. Slow truck. Let's clean up together. All done. Wow! So many dumper trucks. Dump the mud. Red mud. Blue mud. Wash, wash, wash. Clean dumper trucks. Red door. Red truck door. Red. Blue door. Blue truck. Hello. Hi, blue truck. Green door. Green truck. Yellow door. Yellow truck. Yellow. Orange door. Orange truck. Orange. Orange. Pink door. Pink truck. Black door. Black truck. Red truck. Stop here. Look, match the colors. Same color. Match colors. Match colors. You did it. Match the colors. Today we learned about colors with trucks.